Okay, good afternoon, students. Welcome
Afternoon.
to welcome to online class. Yes, today we are going to discuss about area of simple shapes. Okay, yesterday class, what we discussed. Yesterday means Sunday. Don't think like that. Yesterday means Friday. Friday, what we discussed? Friday, we discussed perimeter of the simple shapes. Shapes means the another name of shapes is figures. What is that? Figures. Figures means the geometrical figures. Simple geometrical figures. Simple geometrical figures means we are getting sir triangle, rectangle, circle, and next square figure. These are the simple geometrical figures. Okay, dear students, today we are going to discuss about area of simple shapes. Before that, yesterday class we discussed perimeter. Then what is perimeter? Perimeter is a total length of the boundary is given, that is called perimeter. For example, this is one rectangle figure. What is that? This is one rectangle figure. This rectangle figure of total length of this boundary, total length of this boundary is called perimeter. Okay. Total length is 10 centimeter, 10 centimeter, 6 centimeter, 10 centimeter, and also 6 centimeter. Okay. This is total length of this boundary is called perimeter. Now today we are going to discuss about area. Then what is the meaning by area? Okay. What is the meaning by area? For example, I am going to tell you this classroom. This classroom, how much place occupied? How much place occupied? For example, this is whiteboard. This is whiteboard. This whiteboard, how much place occupied? That is area of this whiteboard. Okay. Dear students, now I am going to show you. This is one textbook. This textbook, how much place occupied? Okay. Now I will show you. Allow to listen here. How much place occupied? Okay, listen here. This is okay. Okay, this textbook occupied this much place. Okay. This is textbook occupied place. Okay, listen here. Occupied means at west place in the Hidupunditi. Okay, how much place occupied? That is the area. That is the area. Dear students, listen here. This is inside of the boundary. Inside of the boundary. This is inside of the boundary is called area. What is that? It's called area. Perimeter means the total length of this boundary. Total length of this boundary is called perimeter, and how much space inside of that figure is called area. For example, this is one triangle. You know that this is this type of figure. This is one triangle figure. This triangle figure, how much place have inside this figure? Okay. How much place have inside this figure? Okay. This is area. What is that? This is area. Remember, for example, in your one room, in your home, there are so many rooms are there, and your hall, how much place occupied? That is the area of your house, your hall. and you sitting on the chair, how much place you occupy, that is your area. Understand? For example, this is textbook. This textbook have how much place? This is area. We are calling this is area, and this is one whiteboard. Whiteboard occupy how much place? That is area of this whiteboard. Okay. Now let us discuss some problems of area. Let us discuss some problems on area. Area, how to find some problems. Okay. Which type of problems are there in the area? First of all, you understand. Okay. Okay, dear students. Dear students. Okay. Area means what? Area means what? We should answer. Okay. Space, the space or the region, space or the region bound by a given bound by a closed figure, given closed figure is called area. Is called area. Dear students, the space or the region. Okay. For example, this is one closed figure. Closed figure means what? We start here. Okay. We start here and here and here and also where we start, there only we end. Okay, this is closed figure. Anyway, going to inside. Now, in the way, no way. No ways are there means this is closed figure. Okay, this closed figure, how much space bound by given closed figure, that is area. Okay, listen, dear student. This is how much place inside of this figure. How much space inside of this figure is called area. Okay, this is called area. And area, dear students, area we represents which unit? Area we represents meter. Area we represents square unit. Which unit we are represents area? Square unit. Okay, that's square meter or square centimeter. Square meter or square centimeter. Remember, dear students, area will represent which unit? Area will represent square unit. The square unit we are using and express the area. There given meter means we should tell square meter. There given centimeter means we should tell square centimeter. For example, the meter. This is meter and it is centimeter. Meter or centimeter. This is called area. What is kilometer means? km means kilometer. Remember, right there, square kilometer. Okay. M means meter. Cm means centimeter. Km means kilometer. Okay. Dear students, remember The short form of the meter is m. 64 m. 64 m means is meter, and square centimeter means cm. Square km means kilometer. Okay. Let us discuss next one problem. Next one problem we are going to discuss now. How to find the area of the given figures. Okay. Okay. Now let us discuss example first one. This is one rectangle figure. Okay. Find the area of this figure. Area of given figure. Okay. Now let us discuss here. This given figure length 4 centimeter and breadth 2 centimeters. Dear students, your attention should be whiteboard only. Okay, your attention should be whiteboard only. Here, this to here 4 centimeter length is there. Okay, this is called length and this is called breadth. This is called breadth. Then total length 4 centimeter is there. Okay. Dear students, listen carefully. Now, how to find the area? I am going to tell you how to find the area. Listen. Total length, how much is there? 4 centimeter. Is it clear? Total length 4 centimeter is there. And you should divide 1 centimeter columns. Okay, you should divide 1 centimeter columns. You should divide 1 centimeter columns. Okay. Now here 1 centimeter means you should divide 1, and 1. Okay. And 1 centimeter column is this is also 1 centimeter, 1 centimeter, 1 centimeter, 1 centimeter. 1 centimeters column. Okay. Now here 2 centimeter breadth is there, and you should divide here also 1 centimeters column. And 2 centimeters is there means you should divide only here 1 centimeter and here 1 centimeter. Then listen here. Okay. And you should observe. Here to here, 1 centimeter, and here to here 1, and here to here 1, here to here 1. All sides are 1 centimeter only box. Okay, this is one box, all sides. Okay, all sides means both sides, because this is one textbook. Okay, this textbook here also 1 centimeter. Here also 1 centimeter, here also 1 centimeter, here also 1 centimeter, 1 centimeter. All sides should be same length means. All sides are same length means that figure we call which type of figure that is? Sir, that is square figure. That is square figure. Okay, then square figure means here 1 square figure, here 1, here 1, here 1. Here 1, here 1, here 1, and here 1. Okay. How many boxes are there total? Sir, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Total number of boxes. Total number of boxes are 8. Okay. Total number of boxes are how many are there? 8. Okay. Then total number of boxes 8 means one box have 1 square centimeter. All sides are same length means we are telling this box area 1 square centimeter, and this one means 2 square centimeter, 3 square centimeter, 4 square centimeters, 5 square centimeter, 6 square, 7 square, 8 square centimeter. Total area is equal to 8 square centimeter. Okay, 8 square centimeter. Otherwise, you should write 8 square cm. This type you have to write. No problem. SQ. SQ means square. Cm means centimeters. Okay. How to find the area? I hope all are understood. Okay. Another one problem I will show you. Another one problem. Okay. Now let us discuss 8 meter and here 4 meter. Find the area. Find the area. This is simple question. Okay. Example second. It is very simple question. Okay. You have to do it. You have to do it. Total length is how much? 8 meter is that. Okay. Is it clear? Total length 8 meter. And total breadth 4 meters. Okay, what I am going to tell you, you should listen and understand. Okay, total length 8 meters. Then you have to divide 1 meter column. You should divide 1 meter column. How many possible to draw here column? Sir, 1 meter 8 column we have to possible. Because total 8 centimeter 8 meter length is there, means 1 meter length you have to occupy and draw total number of boxes. Okay, then 1 meter means we should draw here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 6, 7, 9, 8. 4 meters length. Total, you have to count here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. All are 1 meter only. Then total 8 meter is there, and we divided 8 1 meter columns 8. Afterwards, we should draw. This is vertically, and the one we should draw horizontally. Okay, and breadth is how much? Sir, 4 meter breadth is there. 4 meter breadth is there. Then 4 meter breadth is there means we should do 1 meter columns. Then how many columns are possible, sir? Here 4 meter means, sir, 1 means 4 columns are available, sir. Then you have to draw here 4 columns. 1, 2, 3, and this is 4. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, then how many total number of columns? How many are there? We should count. Okay, total number of means this is 1, 2. This type you have to count, because before that you have to understand. Sir, here to here I got 1 meter. Then here to here, how much is, sir? Here also 1 meter, because 4 meter breadth is there means I divided equally 4 columns means here also 1 meter, and this is also 1 meter, and this is also 1 meter. Remember here, students, total all sides are same length means we are calling that is 1 square meter. That is called 1 square meter. In your daily life, in your home, your father, mother, and discussing some, their 1 square foot, 1 square feet, 1 square meter, the cost of 1 square meter, the cost of 1 square feet. This is the measuring of land. This lesson it is useful to measure your home how much square feet is there, and your room how much square feet is there, and your textbook also how much square feet is there. You have to easily understand, okay? Because you have to use one textbook, then you have already scale, you have to use your scale, and you have to count, measure it. Here, this edge to this edge, how much distance is there, and this is how much distance is there. So here to here 20 centimeter, and here to here 10 centimeter. Then you have to do 20 centimeter equally divide. How many are there? 20 columns. And here how many? 10 columns. 20 into 10. Then you have to count how many total number of columns. That is the area of this textbook. That is the area of this textbook. Okay, dear students, how many are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 30. Then you have to write here total number of boxes. Total number of boxes are boxes 32. The total number of boxes are 32. Total number of boxes are 32. Then area of the figure is 32 square meter. 32 square meter. I wrote here shortcut. SQ. SQ means square. M means meter. Then you want me to write long form 32 square meter. 32 square meter. You have to write this type also. Any doubt? I hope I cleared everything. Okay. Now let us discuss. I will send you some photograph. Then you have to solve my send me again. Okay. Another one problem I am going to discuss too. Okay, dear students. Okay, this is one square box. Here 4 meter and here also 4 meter. Find the area. Find the area. You have to imagine. You have to imagine. It is your room. Your room. Your room length 4 meter and breadth also 4 meter. Both sides same measurement. Sir, all sides same measurement means that is which type of figure? All sides are same measurement means that is called square figure. Okay, that is called square figure. Then how many columns are available to draw here? 4 meter means 1 meter columns. Sir, 4 available. Okay, then 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4. And here also breadth also 4 meters. Sir. Then how many columns are available? Sir, here also 4. Sir. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And total 18. Okay, total number of boxes are 16. Total number of boxes are 16. Then area is area of the figure is 16 square meter. 16 square meter. Okay. Now let us discuss, dear students. Now let us discuss. Okay, dear students, I hope all are understood. Any doubt means you have to ask me. Okay. Okay, dear students. Okay, dear students, any doubt? Okay, now I am going to ask some questions. Now to tell. Okay, 1 meter, 1 meter equal to how many centimeter? 1 meter equal to how many centimeter? Anpurna, on your video, all of you on your video. All of you on your video. Kasturi on your video. Okay. Tell me, 1 meter equal to how many
10
centimeter?
centimeters, sir.
1 meter equal to how many centimeter?
10
Okay.
centimeters.
1 meter, 100, how many? 100. Don't tell. Kasturi, all of you on your mic. Okay. Manjunath, 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 on your mic. Manjunath. Okay. Manjunath, on your mic first. Okay. Okay, tell me. Shreya, on your mic. Shreya, Shreya, tell me. 1 meter equal to how many centimeter? 1 meter equal to how many centimeters, Shreya? 100 centimeter. I was sitting. Answer it. Okay. Omkar. Omkar.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Which unit we are using to measure the area? Which unit we are using to measure the area? Omkar, answer me. Okay. Which unit we are using to measure the area?
Network not, sir.
Unit, square unit we are using to measure the area. Anushka, 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 which is the next number of 24? Which number is which?
45,
Which is
sir.
the next number of 24? Tell me.
25, sir.
Very good, 25, very good. Anushka, which unit we are using to measure the area? Which unit we are using to measure the area? Square unit. Which unit? Square.
Square unit.
Yes. Yes. Square unit we are using to measure the area. There given centimeter means we are using square centimeter. There given meter means we are using square meter. Okay. Today I will send you some photo. Then you have to find the area. Then you have to send again. Okay. Okay. Now I am
Okay,
going
sir.
to finish my class. Thank you.
Bye, sir. Bye, sir.